Let's do some Frankenstein makeup. Oh, I did a zombie look last year, but I wanted to do another one this year but make it different. This is my inspiration. I'm marking out the shapes. I'm going to start by adding white to this section first. Blending it all out. A lime green on this side. And I'm going to go with a darker green around the mouth. Adding different colour patches to the body as well. Just adding some eyeshadow and shading in the first section. Now I'm doing the exact same on this side, but using purple and grey eyeshadow. Some shading to the body in each section. It's looking good so far. Now I'm just shading this mouth area with some dark green shadow. Just adding the stitch details. So some lines, some curved, some X's, and just repeating it. Also added some white stitches as well. Adding some lashes. I'm adding some white streaks to this eye. I need to add some finishing touches, but who's ready to see the end result? Here's the end result. What do you guys think? I added my lenses and a few spikes just for some finishing touches. How did I do? This might be my favourite one I've done so far for Halloween this year. If you enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I don't want to wipe it off. Thanks for watching.